How to find S Pen if forgot or remove. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down up to Advanced Feature. Tap on Advanced Feature. Tap on S Pen. Now scroll down. Tap on More S Pen Settings. Here you can see warn if S Pen is left behind. Toggle on it. Here it will show a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off on your device. So make sure to toggle on the warn if S Pen is left behind to automatically you can see notification on your Samsung device about the forgot S Pen or remove the S Pen on your Samsung device. So quite useful feature to find the lost S Pen location on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.